Hi guys, this is gonna be a video of this 52-inch hobby brother back with a horrible blaze on it. This time I changed it to single speed. I bypassed the chain switch. So hopefully high will work on it this time. You see that little chain used to be right there. Reverse switch. Right there. Okay, so yeah, one, start it up. Yeah, I also switched this one to high. Before that it was on medium, but now it's set to high, the Delta 2. Now this is on high as well. Yeah, so I plan to put the blaze on it when I install it. Although it's pretty hard to find blaze in those containers nowadays. Really hard to find the original blaze. So I go to the fan. Okay, we'll do spin down, and then we'll do reverse. Yeah. But I didn't get to wire the Delta 2 after I changed it to high because you guys can tell the black wire. I mean, it's dripped, but not really like that one or that one, as you can see. Yeah, so that's why I didn't wire the Delta 2 up after I changed it. Now I'm pretty sure the Delta 2 still works, I guess. Yeah, it should work on high when I install it as well. Yeah. Not bad. Reverse. Reverse high. Alright, that's it. Video. Thanks for watching.